The graph below shows the following functions. The red graph is the f function, x squared plus 4x plus 4, and then the blue graph is 2 to the x. And as I scroll down here a little bit more, it says, complete the following sentences based on the graph of the two functions. So the first one here, as I move things around, kind of annoying, but the average rate of change of function g is lower than the average rate of change of function f over the interval. Well, what we can see in this picture is that the blue graph is consistently underneath the red graph. So when we look at this, on this particular interval that we can see on our graph, it's going from 0 to 5. That's what we can see on our picture. So there is our answer to that. And you can't see it now. Again, try again. So there's the answer to that particular question. And then the second part says the value of the function g will eventually exceed the value of f when x, well, let's switch over to Desmos. And I have the 2 typed in. So here's our red graph. We can see more than we need. And here's our blue graph, and you cannot see what I typed in, but there's that. And really, in terms of the picture, roughly, this is what we see. And what we're looking for is, well, where do these two graphs intersect? So I'm going to hit the minus button and see eventually. And hard to see. The nice thing on the iPad is I can spread it out. And then coming over here, I don't know what that point is, 664. Let's see if that's going to be an option when we get back to Edmentum. And the value of the function will eventually exceed the value of function f. So when x is greater than 6. So we couldn't see it on our picture, but when we did type it into Desmos, we were able to figure out what the answer was.